How much is it? This one?
200, 200.
200.
This one 300, this one 200.
Yeah.
How much?
Share one out of 200. Yeah, you cut it. It's time for my videoing you. The live video you asking me what happened. Guys, I'm buying fruits for my visitor that is coming to my house. That is my friend. Yeah. My friend, my sister, and also a YouTuber. A big YouTuber for that matter. She's coming to my house today. So I'm getting her fruit. We're collecting the fruit. So I'm getting her fruit. No, fruit is very, very good in our body. So I want to get her fruit. Question. So she's coming to my house today. She's coming this early morning that she's going to Ikeja Teaching Hospital. So I decided to come and get her fruit. Joy, good morning, how are you? So guys, as I was talking to you guys, so Mwa Ife family is coming to my house today for the first time. She's coming from all the way from Ogun State, and she's also going to, she's already in teaching hospital at Ikeja. So she came to run tests for her eyes. You know, she has been complaining of her eyes, that she's having her eyes is itching all the time. Now go there. So she has been complaining that her eyes is disturbing her seriously. Sometimes she will say that she doesn't see very well. So today early morning around 7 o'clock, she called me that she's going to Ikeja Teaching Hospital. I should direct her. So I have to direct her how she's going to get to the place. And also I have a doctor there. My daughter is a gynecologist. She's very, very good. I have to send her my doctor number to contact my doctor when he gets there. So she called me now that she's already through with her eyes, and they gave her appointment to come back maybe 2 weeks or 1 week later to come and collect her glasses. They recommended glasses for her. So but now I'm talking to you, she's already with my doctor. Maybe she's trying to get one idea or two, but very soon she'll be in my house. So I came to get her fruits. This is a fruit. So I want to wait for her to where she will come. So guys, if you're going to see my visitor, my friend, my YouTuber friend, and also a good one. So guys, she's at my bus stop. I want to go and pick her. So guys, she's waiting for me at the bus stop. I want to go and pick her from our bus stop. I'm already in my bus stop safe. Yay! See who you have here. Now this woman, you're getting fat though. See, she's very, very fat. Unlike before. You're looking good with your glasses.
Are you fine?
See her glasses, so she wants to get this one in.
You're not that far.
Hey, you don't go do Omugo. She went to tell for me and went to go and do Omugo. See how far she is.
Are you fine? I'm not put my clothes.
Which clothes big? Which clothes? Which clothes? Oh, man, you're looking good.
My clothes big.
You're looking good. Guys, see her. Did you turn your face? What we do? Oh, DJ, welcome to my house. One fair family, welcome to my house.
And watermelon. I think one way important to me.
Abi, oh, Abi.
What I need. Thank you.
Welcome. I really appreciate for you to come in. And there are people that are longing to see you. When they will come back, they will know that you are here today. Hey, I told them that somebody is coming to my house. They say, who is that? I don't want to be going. Now go dig her for here, no, but see how she's going, no.
Mama, she did me well. She did well. She did me so. She did me watermelon.
I mean, I don't know what she's talking about, though.
She did me right,
I don't know what she's talking about.
Please let me subscribe to her channel.
Yeah, she's going, you know.
Don't make me too much.
He's bossing a boss. Bye bye. I miss you. Guys, she has gotten to her. Guys, she's going home. I escorted her to the bus stop, so she's going home. I mean, I'm going home. This is the bus. This is our bus. Hi guys. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. My front camera is not really bad. It's very. So, there you guys, this is my work. I still have other work, other clothes as there to do. Then I'm using these comforts to wash. So guys, hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. This is Benedita is in a little space. You are highly welcome. Guys, this is an plane that is passing by. So guys, I'm washing. I am washing. I'm so exhausted this morning after bathing my baby, after bathing Zara. So I decided to come and wash our dirty clothes. These are our dirty clothes. Guys, this is Zara. Zara, say hi.
Hi.
Chime, come and say hi. This is Zara twin.
Come here.
Say hi.
Hi.
Oh, yeah. People can go.
Good luck.
Good luck. So guys, I'm washing clothes too.
Come on, stand.
It's not to 1 week. In fact, it's not even 2 or
Good
3
luck.
days. But
Mommy,
here
good
clothes is
luck.
full year.
Mommy, good luck.
Good luck. Say hi. Say hi. Good day. Say hi.
Say hi now.
Hello.
Oh yeah. Na papa.
I never want to show my baby for online. So this is my work this morning. There's nothing like wickedness. So this is the clothes I washed today. Our 2 school bag and our lunch bus. School is resuming on Monday. We are getting ready. This is our uniform. Our school uniform. Our sports wear. These are my work today. I got today washing my clothes, my family clothes, my children clothes. And this is another clothes here. This is Zara. Zara mama. Oh, Guinea. Zara. Don't you hug. Oh, Guinea. Chori dindi. Can he choro? Can he choro? I know I need it. Last Sunday I came to Ikeja to fix my phone. It's my little toddler. See my baby. Going to go and fix our phone. Mama. Review. Guys, if you love this one, give it a massive thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye. A big head.